Cam Stone here from Mojoe Outfitters. It's the start of December. We're out in the desert. Look at this. It's just gorgeous weather. It's t-shirt weather. Nice and chilly last night. And so today, got another special treat. We're going to make Mojoe feet stew. Actually, pea stew. So we're going to make a pea soup with feet in it. And so the first step in putting the feet into the stew is we're going to smoke them all morning and afternoon. So look, we've been brining this. Check this out. Look at that. Oh, we got, oh yeah, look, that's a pig's, oh, it's a pig's foot. Oh my God. Let's see what oh, look what we got. Anyway, so the first step in all of this is we have to, before we smoke, we have to get a little panicle on there, which means we dry them out in the beautiful desert sunshine. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just take all of this meat, pig's feet, the chicken feet, and all of that's going in our pea soup. Check it out, look at that. We're just gonna, oh, look at that. They've been brining all night in salt, sugar, soy sauce, some garlic powder, all of that. And so, anyway, I'll get this all laid out. And we'll come back to you when we start putting in the smoker. I got a smoking it right here. We're gonna set that up once this has a panicle on it and is dried out. Set that in there and smoke it all day. Now is the time. We've got a nice little panicle on all this stuff. It's dry. It's got kind of a hard skin on it. It's ready for the smoker. And so what we're gonna do is, this is the smoking it smoker. I've got some nice hickory in the smoke box. Check that out. Look at that. So that's all I'm gonna use. And here we go. So we're gonna put all of this stuff. I'm gonna do one tray of chicken feet here. So we'll just set that on there. That's probably gonna come out a little earlier than the pig's feet. Just keep it separate. Here, oh yeah, it's feeling dry. Check that out, look at that. Man. Yeah, baby. So that's going in. Oh, look at that. Doesn't this look fucking awesome? Look at that. That's beautiful. Look how meaty that is. Oh yeah. So anyway, we'll put that in there. Like that. Take another one out. Now it's time for the pig's feet. Uh-oh. Look. Set that in there. Okay. So these guys. Oh yeah. These are really meaty and gelatinous. So I'm excited about all of this. Oh yeah. You like this floating around? Okay. So now we're gonna slide this on in like so. There we go. We got our box full of hickory. And we're gonna close it up. The chicken feet and the pork feet are in here. They're cooling down. They're getting ready to go into our Dutch oven here. But first, I'm gonna make some mirepoix kind of thing that is a base for the soup. So I'm gonna put got the thing going like that. Putting that on there. Put some oil in there, like so. Boom. And then I've got a couple onions, a bunch of celery. Check that out. That's beautiful. And we're gonna just throw that in there. We're gonna just make them translucent, just saute them a little bit. Then we're gonna put some chicken stock in there, and we're gonna put some water in there, and then we're gonna take out our smoked chicken feet and smoked pig feet, and we're gonna go to town. We're gonna boil them for a while because they have smoke on them, but they're not tender enough yet to get like the meat off the pig's feet and stuff. So we'll be back when we're ready to start doing all that. All right, we got this. Can you hear it? Oh, it smells so good. Celery and onions. It don't get much better. All right, so now let's do this, huh? Let's pull this out. Check it out. Oh, look at that nice. A little bit of smokiness on there. Oh, that is gonna add some serious flavor. So I'm just gonna take these over here and watch. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that. Oh, look at this. We're just gonna throw those all in there like so. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Next item. Oh, look at that. Can you see it? It's insanity. Look at it. Hey. Okay, so let's just throw in these smoked chicken feet. Look at that. Oh, unreal. Look at that. Huh? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so now we've got a couple cans of chicken broth. We're gonna throw those in, get some flavor. Oh, it's bubbling and boiling. Another one here. Throw that in there. Bubbling and boiling. Oh yeah. And then I got some water. I'm just gonna cover them with some water so that they boil up like that. And then later we'll put the peas in and take these out and get the meat off and put that back in there. See here, split pea soup, man. Bag of split peas. It's gonna be great. Can't wait. Okay, these have been boiling in that roux of onions and celery and the chicken stock. So right now, what I'm going to do is pull out all of the pig's feet out of the mix, and I'm going to chop off all the good stuff, okay, because it's all tender now. So here we go. So we're going to put all these here. Like so. Look at that. Look at all these chicken feet, man. All right, there's that. There's that. Oh yeah, there's another one right there. Okay. Another one right there. Okay. And there's one there. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at how awesome they look. Look at that. Look at that pile of goodness right there. Smoked goodness. Let's see. Okay, so all we got left is the chicken feet in there. I'm gonna chop off all the meat and gelatinous whatever off of these things. That's gonna go back in the pea soup. And pretty soon, real soon, I'm gonna come back and pop. Oop, look at that. Another one. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back, put the peas in, boil them for like a half hour, put some carrots in. Yum. Oh, smoky goodness for pea soup. All right, it's now all in there. It's bubbling and boiling. So we're gonna take our peas, our split peas. They're all dried. It's gonna take about a half hour for them to get accustomed to the chicken feet, like that. We're gonna throw those in. We're also gonna throw in our carrots. Boom. And this is the good stuff. This is garlic. A bunch of chopped garlic. Look at that. Put that in there. Okay. Stir it all around. Like so. And look. Ah! So here we are in the morning. It got dark on us and it got a bit chilly out here in the December desert. So now we're going to, we finished up the soup and we're going to give it a shot, give it a try. Check this out. These are the, I boiled these separate. I took them out of the soup. These are the pig's feet there, like that. Look at the gelatinous jelly that came out of there. Dogs dig this stuff, okay? So you'll see on the video that the dogs dig this stuff. So those are the pig's feet right there. Look at that. Whoop! All right, so now we are going to make a bowl of pea soup. Come on in, check that out. Oh yeah, it's a bit smoky. I've tasted it, but it's killer. And so here we go. We're gonna make a bowl. Oh yeah, look at that. Little juice. Gotta get some juice in there. All right. Garnish properly like that, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream on there. Like that. And then a couple of chips, man, huh? Just as another garnish. Put that. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. That's pea soup. Smoked pea soup, man. Okay. Moment of truth. We're going to take a little soup out of there. Got some carrots, pea soup. Oh yeah. It's got that smoke in it. Don't deny it. It doesn't deny the smoke, but damn. Oh, so many built up flavors in there. I got an itch. It's just awesome. I thought it was going to be too smoky, but it's not. It's got that smoke in it, and damn, lot of depth of flavor in there. So check us out next time on Mojoe Outfitters and YouTube videos. Oh.
So I'm the Key Grip best boy, part-time photographer, and I got to tell you, this is one of the best meals Mojoe Outfitters ever made. This is the most delicious split pea soup I've ever had in my life. I'm not into the smoked chicken feet, but I got to tell you, the It is as thick as you'd expect it. So if you ever thought about smoked pea soup and what it should be, smoky